Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the WWZMDiB Pure Copper Remote Battery Terminals. These are designed to act as remote connection points for your battery power and grounding needs. And they seem like a solid option for anyone working on car audio, RVs, boats, or even solar projects. The first thing that stands out is the material. These terminals are made from pure copper, which is a big plus. Copper offers excellent conductivity, ensuring efficient power transfer. The manufacturer also states that they are rust and corrosion resistant, which is crucial for any electrical component exposed to the elements, especially in marine or automotive applications. The precision in the manufacturing is also noticeable. These feel like quality pieces. The removable design is another clever feature. It allows for connecting multiple connectors or wires to a single terminal, offering flexibility in wiring configurations. This is particularly useful when you have several devices needing power or grounding at the same location. These terminals feature an M8 5/16-inch stud size, which is a pretty common size, making them compatible with a wide range of connectors and cables. They are designed for screw-type connections, which are generally secure and reliable. These terminals can be used in a variety of applications, including battery boxes, panels, cars, RVs, boats, and even with electrical equipment and solar cells. The non-insulated design means you'll need to ensure proper insulation when installing them to prevent shorts or other electrical hazards. Overall, the WWZMDiB Pure Copper Remote Battery Terminals appear to be a well-made and versatile option for remote battery connections. The pure copper construction, removable design, and wide compatibility make them a strong contender for anyone needing to create a reliable and efficient power distribution system. Just remember to ensure proper insulation during installation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.